matter, boy?
What are you doing in my house?
I'm a
dude?
microwave man. I'm a man and also a microwave.
That's great, but could you get out, maybe?
No, put food in my mouth. I'll heat it right up. Want me to warm up some cereal for you? I can warm up some cereal for you right now. I'll warm up some cereal for you. You want it? You want me to warm up your cereal? Get it nice piping hot. See, it's warming up. It's warming up right now in my mouth. I'm the microwave man. I'll just live here. I'm just gonna live here now.
I don't know about that.
It's fine. No, I'm really useful. I'm hot microwave pot man. I'll just stay. I'll stay right here. I will never leave your house ever.
You got like a microwave over there.
Yeah, you do now, cause I'm the microwave man. I fit on the counter. Look how easily I fit on the counter. Very utilitarian. Look, I can even fit in a cabinet. You just get this stuff out of the cabinet, I'll fit right in.
Yeah, I don't think that's happening.
I'll start moving everything out of the cabinet. I'm just gonna start moving everything out of the cabinet so I can get right in here. How many years do you want me to stay here? 10, 15. I can make ambient noises too at night. I can make ambient noises. You wanna hear selection? I won't charge anything. Just give me a place to sleep and eat, and I'll stay here indefinitely.
These are about here, so you may wanna get out.
Why would I get out? This is our house. We both are living in this house together because we're good friends. Because I cook all your food for you. You just put it in my mouth.
Nah, I'm like serious.
Put it in my mouth. Just put it in my mouth. Feel in my mouth. Feel in my mouth with your hand. It's real warm. Just put it in my mouth. I'll warm it up.
They're here,
Eat your
dude.
food.
That's faster than expected. Yeah.
You're gonna tell him I live here and I'm the microwave man,
Yeah,
right?
no, I'm not.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
What are you
answer the
doing?
door. Yeah.
I'll leave you forever. I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's good. That's great.
Forever.
Kitchen, yeah, over there.
Microwave. Don't come in here.
Sir,
Why are you talking to a microwave?
clearly the third
I'm a
time this week.
microwave. I don't understand English.
Come
This
on.
flashlight. I'll just take that flashlight and I'll leave.
Come on,
I'll
let's
just
go.
take that flashlight.
Yeah.
There's another flashlight. I'll just take that flashlight.
Yeah, come on. I'm gonna take you by the
These
cord.
Clorox wipes. I'll just take these Clorox wipes.
Yeah.
And get on out.
I'll get them all back to you when I come back.
Yeah, it
Because
is.
they're my property. They're my property. They're my property. I'll just take this family photo. You moved me past. I'll just take that bag of chips. Can you just let me take that bag of chips?
Nope.
Can you just?
Come on.
I'll just take this.
Come on.
What's in here? I don't know.
There's
I'm
nothing
taking
that
it.
you need. Come
It's
on.
mine now.
Come on. You're not gonna have it
It's
in
okay.
10 seconds anyways.
It's okay. I'll come back. You won't have to be without a microwave for long. I'm a gas-powered microwave. Just fart in my mouth. Just do it. Don't ask questions. Just fart in my mouth. Gas-powered microwave.